Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 3 to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So we need to distribute this one for this one and this one. So we have 3 to the power of s plus s minus 3 to the power of s minus s. Similar for this one. And this one. So this one we have 2s. This one we have number 0. So we have number 1. Next, I will put this one go to the left. So we distribute y for this one and number 1. So we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the left, y go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization by 3 to the power of 2s. Next, we divide both sides by y minus number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So I need to put about natural log for the both sides. So we know that ln of a to the power of b, that is about b ln 8. So we can transform into like this. And now we divide both sides by number 2 ln number 3. And now we can find the inverse function. This is the end. Thank you for watching.